What if you could make your trades automatically even while you sleep? Bybit's trading bots and copy trading makes it possible. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Bybit. Link to this will be in the description of the video. One of Bybit's most powerful features is its suite of trading bots. It is actually designed to automate the strategies and eliminate the emotional biases that often lead to poor decisions. And for you to be able to get onto that, what you just need to do is click on tools right here and click on trading bot. Now guys, these bots cater to different trading styles. It makes them suitable for both beginners as well as those experienced traders. So the DCA, or the dollar cost averaging bot, allows users to gradually build positions over time by investing fixed amounts at regular intervals. Now guys, this strategy smooths out the impact of volatility. Now it helps the traders avoid the pitfalls of timing the markets. Now on the other hand guys, okay, the grid bot is perfect for range-bound conditions. Now guys, by automatically buying at lower levels and selling at higher ones within a set of price range, what it does is it helps capture consistent profits from the sideway markets. Alright, now setting up a bot guys is very straightforward. So say for example, okay, I want to create my bot for futures grid. I click on create, and what it's going to do is it's going to take me here. Okay, you have the AI strategy, you also have manual, but I would, of course, since you are with the bot, you do AI strategy. You have the neutral, you have the long and the short. Now, you just really have to fill out all the parameters that it needs to fill out here. Okay, you put in your total investment right here. And of course, I would strongly recommend that you make sure you do your own research and get accustomed before investing so much, okay? Try it out first. Test the waters, put in a small investment, and then try out the bot and see for yourself the power of having that trading bot do all your trades for you. Now, you could go ahead, of course, and sign up through the link in the description of the video. Just go ahead and click on it. It will take you directly to the Bybit page where you could go ahead and register. Now, guys, beyond the bots, all right, Bybit takes automation to a whole new level with copy trading. You can just go ahead and click on tools again and then click on copy trading right there. Our sponsor for today will help you find leads even in those darkest places. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, guys, helping out marketers just like myself. So if you need targeted data that actually converts, Lead Sniper is your best bet. So they have Google Maps Scraper, Google Search Scraper, Yellow Page Scraper, and they have a lot more tools that are coming out. So go ahead and check them out. Link to that will be in the description of the video. Let's continue. Now, this feature, guys, lets the users browse a leaderboard of top performing traders. Okay, and they are complete with detailed performance stats. That way you would be able to gauge and see for yourself, who you want to copy. Like this one, say for example, right? This is just an example. Okay, you have the drawdown 3.9%. You click on this one, ROI is 25.66%. All right. So for this trader, all right, let me just zoom out a little bit. So performance in 30 days, ROI 25.66%, Masters PNL plus 455. You have the wins and the losses. And again, guys, it's normal to also have losses in trades. But what you want to happen is that you have more wins than your losses. That way you would be able to get as much profit from your trades. And of course, there's no way to get better at doing the trades than making sure that you're doing your own research. You got to go ahead and practice technical analysis. That way you would be able to apply those when you do your trades. Now, replicating their strategies, it's very straightforward, guys. You just have to click on copy right there. Okay. Once you click on copy, it will show you this pop-up, and you just put in your investments, select items to copy, trailing stop is, you also have that. And I would, of course, recommend that you put in a trailing stop right here. This is basically like your stop loss, right? That way, when it goes down to this certain percentage, it's not going to continuously go down and you lose more and more, right? It's going to stop from that point and pull out the funds. So guys, Bybit is not just an exchange. It is a complete trading ecosystem with the leverage, the advanced tools, the bots, the copy trading, and free access to Bybit sharks as well. So guys, you can go ahead and sign up through the link in the description below. That way you would be able to also, check out the Bybit sharks. And of course, guys, Bybit bots and copy trading help you trade smarter, not harder. So you got to go ahead and utilize that and use that to your advantage. So try to set up your own bot today. You can go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Sign up with Bybit. Test it out. See for yourself the power of the things that I showed you and earn as much profit as you can. All right, if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.